from Emily123, and today in this video I will be doing a Nickelodeon slime kit. Now this is very exciting for me because I've got 4 different kits that Nickelodeon have come out with, and Nickelodeon will be releasing their slime in the UK, which will be really fun and cool, so you could definitely go check that out. And today I'm going to be doing a slime kit, which I'm super duper excited for. And guys, the Entertainer toy shop sent this to me, and this is what it looks like on the back. I'm super excited. It might like make goo. It might make goo or actual slime that I normally make. I don't really know because Nickelodeon normally makes green slime. So, genie actual wizards. Okay, it's fine. So let's try this again. I'm scared I'm gonna whack it now. So this is what it looks like inside. I don't know if you can see that. That's what it looks like inside. So this is the instructions, and you can make, or you can buy all these different like sets. You can make lip gloss and all that, and I'll be showing you all the different ones of these at the end of the video, which ones we got. And these are the instructions. So let's go through them and see what we can make, because it looks like we can make a lot. Well, I'm really excited. Okay. We are going to take all the stuff out and then read the instructions and see what we can get. So first we have some safety goggles. Well, it's going to be funny, so. Then we have like the food colorings and the activators maybe. I'm not sure. Then we have, oh, this one's sealed, look. Ooh. Then we have this weird substance. Corn flour. There's some corn flour. Let's make some bread. Okay, so first we have a lid to go on our pot. Oh, that's a cool pot. We have a little measuring cup. We have 2 little green measuring cups. We have a plastic pot with a yellow lid. And we have some gloves. Okay, so what is this? So we have these little lid thingamabobs. We have some mixing sticks, some isolate sticks. And then we have a little measuring tube. Then we have the little lobster mold. Then we have some pipettes, some of these things. And then we have another little measuring tub. Okay, step 1, put on the protective goggles and gloves. Okay. Hopefully it stretches over my head. So hey, hope all of these come with goggles because these are good, mate. Now let's put the other glove on. This is like really protective. Hopefully you don't die today. Add 100 ml of warm water into the Experimake bottle. So guys, this is why there's such a little amount, because you have to pour the water into this bottle and shake for 20 minutes, which is going to be a long time. So we're going to pause this, and here's our little jug of warm water. So now let's just pour it in. Hopefully I don't get this everywhere, because that's just it's got a child look on it. So guys, sorry my camera just died, so we couldn't film shaking or anything, but it has been shaked for 20 minutes, and now we have to leave it to the side, and then we can add it to the mixture later, so it's turned into like gloopy slime now. So next step, so we've got my bottle here of cold water. It doesn't say warm water or anything, so it just says water. So I have to add 30 mils, so So now we have to add the water to the calcium chloride solution. I can't say it properly. So you have to add that. Hopefully you don't have to leave this for that many minutes too. Okay, so I've done that. Now it says shake the bottle until the chlorine is completely dissolved. It's dissolved now, it looks a bit cloudy. So there. Now it says your solution is ready. Plastic box this time. Box. Is this the box? It says add 30 ml of water into the plastic box. Now we have to add 30 into here, I think. So now we've got 30 into here, 30 millilitres. Now we need to use the pipette measuring 3 millilitres of this solution. So that's one. So that is 3 ml added of the solution. Now we just need to stir and then it says it's ready. For this experiment we're doing multiplying slime balls and slimy snakes is here. Oh, I want to make slimy snakes too. So pour 5 millilitres of sodium alginate into a small measuring cup. It's very gloopy. Use a pipette, add 3 drops of food colouring into the small measuring cups. Mix well with wooden spatula. Sticks, it says spatula. So I'm going to add red. Mix well with a wooden spatula. Oh, it looks slimy. It looks very gloopy. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 now of that. This one into there. Okay. So now it says, oh look guys, slime. Look, it's slimy. It's turning into slime. It's a slime ball. Slime ball. So, pour that into there. Then we got a slime ball. Tip your slime ball into your hands and observe, then squeeze the slime ball over the plastic box. Yeah. So you have to squeeze this, guys. And then we got little slime balls. So guys, there's tons of little balls. There's a little ball. So guys, now I'm going to make the slimy snakes and I've just cleared up. Got our solution. Now we need our pipettes and we need this small measuring cups. So we need 15 in each of these. Quite a lot. Now we have to put 5 drops of green food colouring into 1 small measuring cup and mix well, and then add 5 drops of red food colouring in the other. Good for video colours, aren't they? Actual making proper slime. Got these in our cups. This is the red and this is the green. Now we've got that. Now it says mix. So I'm going to mix the red one first. So guys, now I've got the red and green mixed in. Now we are going to 30 millilitres of this water here, or the solution, into a large measuring cup. Fill the pipettes. Fill the pipettes with their coloured solution. Okay, there's one pipette. So now we have to do it just above and do it in a row. I don't know if you can see this, but look how cool this is. So guys, here is a snake. So here's a little one. I don't like that one, so I'm going to do more. Oh, it's going to block it now, isn't it? It's going to have to go ahead and block it. Can we just pour it in there? Will it like turn into something? A massive ball. So I just poured the whole pot into here and now it's made like a giant snake. Look, there's bubbles. Should I pop it? So there's a bubble, I'm going to pop it. Ooh, good. Get our hands in. Made a massive snake too. Giant snake. It's got a little head, yeah. Shout out goes to Abby Rose Devlin. So, shout out to you. Thank you for putting Emma's codes in the comment below. And if you put Emma's code in the comments below, you will get a shout out. And also, make sure you turn on those push notifications to get notified whenever I upload a video. And make sure to hit that big red subscribe button. And also, these are the kits that I was telling you about. The Entertainer Shop sent me. And this is a lipstick one. Sweet Treats and Chocolate one. And then we have the shape soaps. So those are going to be in a couple of videos later. Let me know which one you want to see first in the comments below. And also, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the video that I'm also going to be doing because I'm doing 2 videos today, but this is a little sneak peek. I'm just going to go. So, if you want to see that tonight, I want to see tons of people hit that subscribe button, and I also want to see tons of people comment in the section below.